Now, check this Phantom wallet out. Over $5.8 million, all built from launching meme coins. Not by trading them, not by gambling. Stay here. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how it works, step by step.
Chapter 1. Overview of Token Creation.
Now, check this Phantom wallet out. Over $6.8 million, all built from launching meme coins. Not by trading them, not by guessing, not by gambling. Stay here and I'll walk you through exactly how it works step by step in today's video. Now, since the beginning of meme coins, bro, I've spent tens and thousands of hours trading meme coins, looking at charts, trying to make some money. But let me tell you why I did not make any profits by trading. Because every single time I bought inside a meme coin, well, I got completely dumped on. Look at this perfect example. I would buy in and then lose all my money because the dev is dumping on my fucking head. And that's why I stopped trading and I started launching, because the real wealth comes from launching your own projects over and over again, okay? It's way more profitable than trading. You guys will see why. Now, when you launch, you control everything. You control the timing, the supply, and the entire narrative. You are just creating everything, bro. You've got nothing to lose. Why? Because creating meme coins is completely free, okay? But if you keep trading, you lose. That's how it works. And bro, by the way, bro, even though Solana is fucking dumping a bit and Bitcoin is a bit dumping, okay? You can still make money, bro, with this strategy. I turned basically like $0 into like $1,000 today or some shit. And I would do this over and over again. Just keep watching. I will expose the entire method. And by the way, bro, this is all for educational and entertainment purposes only. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. Just learn the strategy, but do not use it. Now, I have a pretty good idea of what you're thinking by now. Do I just go to pump.fun and launch a meme coin here and then do this over and over again? Well, the answer is no, because this method does not work anymore, bro. Pump.fun is completely cooked. Pump.fun is completely oversaturated. Too many coins are filling the site every single second. So your coins will not get enough eyes on any of them. And also, bro, it's common sense. Your coin has to reach an $85,000 market cap for it to graduate directly onto Raydium, bro. That takes too much time and it's really, really hard unless you have some type of community. And that's exactly why I switched to solanatokenlabs.io, because this platform is completely different than pump.fun or all of the other launch pads, bro. Because every single token that launches on this platform will graduate instantly onto Raydium, which will be viewed by tens and thousands of fucking live traders. That's actually fucking insane. And your coin becomes obviously tradable within seconds. Okay, so you have fewer obstacles and you get more visibility for your tokens. And by the way, bro, just another add-on, you have full control over your liquidity. So you can literally dump it whenever you want, bro. That's the beauty of this launchpad, okay? It's actually a fucking cheat code. Now, here's what you can do on solanatokenlabs.io. You have two different ways to build a coin, and it's up to you. The first method is to create a brand new coin. So first of all, you have to pick a theme/narrative. Now, go on any social media platform to look at what is trending.
Chapter 2. Hunting viral meme coin.
For example, go on X, right? Go on Instagram and look for something trending. For example, President Trump says, "I only care about one thing. Will we be the #1 in crypto?" Okay, that's fucking bullish. It was posted 9 minutes ago. That's fucking good. There's other stuff like Binance, "I'm not leaving." Okay, that's good. An hour ago. There's a bunch of different narratives. Now, once you have a good narrative, bro, come back to solanatokenlabs.io.
Chapter 3. Token Creation.
I'm making a manual token to clear the science behind the token creation. Connect your wallet, you'll get a pop-up asking for authorization, just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this 67K ID and shortening it to 67 to keep it catchy. Upload the logo you just downloaded, hit next, and keep going. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply. We'll need it later. For the description, I'm writing KID. Just click next and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part, I always do. It's never been a problem with Raydium launches. Just turn off that toggle and skip it. The next screen asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your soul. Skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features, custom token addresses. Solana tokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through pump.fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump as a suffix having 4 alphabets, it will take around 20 minutes to update on Solana tokenlabs.io. So if you want to avoid a long wait while creating your coin, add PM or Mo like 2 alphabets in small. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off Revoke Freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off Revoke Mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens, another huge red flag. If you turn off Revoke Update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want, massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click Create Token. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with one click, and boom, your token is officially live on Solana. So if you go on SolScan, you guys can see that it's live now on the blockchain.
Chapter 4. Add liquidity to the token.
Now the next step is setting up a liquidity pool. Moving forward, click on Create Liquidity, which will immediately transition you to Raydium's platform. Priority 1, verify your wallet is properly connected. And when you see the Create option, just click on it. You'll then see the liquidity pool selector. Make sure to choose Standard AMM. Click on the token selector, then briefly return to Solana tokenlabs.io to copy your coin's unique identifier. Back in Raydium, paste that address in the search box positioned under the token selection instruction. Now we'll specify our token details. For this demo, I'm inputting 67 as the symbol and 67KID as the project name. Press Add User Token to confirm. Then select your token one more time. We're supplying 900 million from our total 1 billion, ideal for a meme coin. Select Solana as your pairing. This is the best part. Being the first liquidity provider means you can max out your position risk-free. First things first, deduct that 0.5. So fee from your total amount, cause of the creation fee I'm pointing out. The fee tier should be set at 0.25%. After triple checking all your inputs, select Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirm to approve the required transaction. Perfect. Our liquidity pool is now operational and the coin is tradable.
Chapter 5. Promoting Memecoin.
Alright, so promoting your meme coin has never been easier. Forget about wasting hours posting on Telegram and Reddit. That old school method is dead. Today, I'm showing you how I use promotememes.fun to get instant exposure across DexScreener, GMGN, Birdeye, and even Twitter and Telegram. Plus, how to build a free professional website for your coin in seconds. Let's get into it. Once you're on promotememes.fun, connect your Solana wallet. I'm using Phantom here. Click Connect Wallet, confirm the pop-up, and that's it. Wallet connected, ready to go. Before I show you the flow, take a second to scroll. You'll see why this platform's a game changer. It's trusted by top tracking platforms, promoted across 20 plus crypto sites, and even gives you visibility on DEX tools and SolScan automatically. It's literally your one-stop launch companion. Alright, now back to the form. I'm pasting my token address right here. Just grab yours from Solana tokenlabs.io and drop it in. Next, pick your promotion type. They've got a free 1-minute test, but I'm going with the advanced 60 minutes option. It costs 0.5 Sol and shows the full potential. Here's the fun part. This new update lets you instantly create a free website for your token. Just toggle on Include Free Website. Upload your logo, enter your token name. I'll name this one 67 and select your launch platform like Raydium or LaunchLab. Pick your theme. I usually go with dark, then confirm. Done. The website preferences are saved automatically. Now we're ready to go. Hit Pay and Promote. The phantom window pops up. Unlock your wallet, confirm the transaction, and watch the process in real time. It's building your website and promoting your token at the same time. Literally hands-free. Almost done and boom, website ready. It shows your custom website link. Just copy it or click Visit Website. Let's check it out. Here's our live token website, fully generated in under 2 minutes. We've got the logo, token name, and live on Solana badge. Scrolling down, you can see all the sections already filled. Token details, supply, tokenomics, buy buttons, and even real-time chart tracking links for Dex Screener, GMGN, Bird Eye, and Dex tools. It looks completely professional and instantly ready to share. Now here's what makes this so powerful. While your website's live, the system automatically shares your coin across all major crypto communities: Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, and smaller alpha groups that you wouldn't even find manually. So for the next hour, your coin gets visibility everywhere. No manual posting, no burnout. Within minutes, you'll start seeing chart activity on Dex Screener, live trades, real traction, and early buyers jumping in. This is the same automation I use for every launch. Now, we can go on Nova. I personally go on Photon, okay, to view my coin, and then let's see what happens. Let me go on full screen for better view of the coin. Let's see. It has to load in, bro. Come on, because we're actually late. And boom, it's live. Okay, the chart might look a bit, oh my god, bro. We're getting so many buys. I want to dump the coin. Come on, pump, bro, pop. Yes, sir. Bro, I love this. Come on, pump. I want to dump the coin right now, bro. No, I'm just joking, bro. I'm just joking. Okay, I'm just joking. Now, this is why I love deving Memecoins, bro, because we literally created this coin for completely $0, and we are getting all this organic traffic through the blockchain. Come on, pump. 1.5K market cap. Things are looking good, bro. Come on, bro. $7 buy. A $67 buy, bro, on our 67 coin. Come on. $33. Pump, bro. Pump now, guys. Oh my god. Let's go. This just saved us. Come on, pump. Okay, bro. Oh my god. Things are looking actually fucking good, bro. SolanaTokenLabs.io is the fucking play. As you guys can see by the chart, bro, we just made a quick $200. Now, guys, I will be right back when the coin is higher and when it's time to dump. Okie dokie, guys, I am back, and the 67 coin is now at a $4,000 market cap, and it's at a $1,600 to $1,700 liquidity. Now, let's make some money finally.
Okay, Chapter 6. Remove liquidity from the token.
Come back to Raydium.io. Ensure your wallet is properly connected and press the standard button you'll find at the bottom area. And there is your current position profit time. First, click the minus symbol. Then push that slider to 100%. And as you guys can see, we are now up $1,700 in official profits. Ignore everything except the SOL value. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive like 12.1 SOL around there. Choose remove liquidity and approve. There it is. Confirmation received and money in hand. That's exactly how you dev Memecoins and make generational fucking wealth. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see that we just received $1,700, which is like 12 SOL. You guys can see here. Okay, even though the market is down, we still made money, bro. Like, it still works, okay? Peace out.